to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. It's 2023 and this right here is officially my very first video for the new year. And you guys, come on, like, who doesn't like a new year, a fresh start, you know? Oh my gosh, you know how new things smell? It smells so fresh, so new. This is exactly how I feel, guys, and I'm just so excited for the new year. Of course, you guys know when it's the new year, a lot of people, everybody's setting up goals, everybody's setting up vision board, everybody's, you know, so happy because yeah, it's a new year. It's kind of, I feel like, you know, when it gets to like when it's a new year, it's like God, it's kind of giving us an opportunity to not really start all over, but you know, if there are things you want to implement or things you don't want to continue, I always believe that the new year is the perfect time for you to go ahead and do that. So I'm just so excited, and yeah, today's video is going to be kind of a new year reset. I'm going to be chatting with you guys. And when it comes to my 2023 you know, reset, you know, I'm going to talk about the family, health, work, finances, and everything. And before I start, guys, let me just say that if at this time, like today is what, I don't know if this video is going to be going up on a Thursday or on a Sunday, if at this time you still have your Christmas decorations on, just go ahead and, you know, remove all the Christmas decor, get your home into its usual place, because so that way, like, once the Christmas decor and everything is out, you will notice that it kind of gives you a fresh new space, even though your space was probably like that before you put up your Christmas decoration. But yeah, just going ahead to remove those Christmas decoration, maybe refreshing your space. As you all can see here, I'm kind of refreshing my living room, just, you know, get it to a normal place, so that way, you know, okay, I'm off of holiday mode and it's time to get back to work. From every other thing, guys, family is always number one for me. For us, we always love to use the first week of the year to kind of organize ourselves, re-strategize, restructure, and this is the part where I absolutely just love, you know, spending time with hubby. As you all can see, we just, you know, we make it very relaxing. You probably just, you know, lay on our bed with our computer, our planner, our calendar, everything, you know, so that way we are able to kind of re-strategize. I always believe that the new year is just the perfect time. If there are things you missed from the previous year, you know, that is absolutely the right time to go ahead and, you know, do that. And if there are things you probably don't want to repeat from last year, the new year is always the perfect time to go ahead and do that also. This is the time we try, you know, we take out to put down our vision board, we, you know, we write down our goals. You just, you know, we take the time to structure and restructure everything, and then that kind of also gives us, especially I and my husband, it gives us a clear head on how to tackle, you know, the year, the new year. The next is health, because you guys know health is wealth. People these days are more in tune with their health, so that is where I'm so happy that this brand comes into play, guys. If you're if you've been an, you know, OG on my channel, you know this is probably not your first time hearing of Beyond Body from me. So this right here is Beyond Body book, as you all can see, and this is a fully personalized health brand that provides their users with a wellness book tailored to their specific health plans and needs. So basically, when you sign up on the website, you're going to go through some personalized quiz, which from there they are able to customize your book based off of your health conditions. As you all can see me doing here, you know, they're going to ask you a few questions, and also they have an app that helps you achieve even a quicker goal. Kind of, they work more closely with you, they work hand in hand with you, and also from your questions, you know, from the answers you give out of the questions, they are able to come up with your own personalized diet and workout plan based on your lifestyle, your food preferences, your allergies. If your concern is about losing weight or just becoming healthier, you know, they will work with you on that. And this particular brand is created by professional nutritionists and also scientists. You guys definitely check my description box because they're having a 60% site-wide sale, and you can also get a 10% off using my code OMA10. This book right here just covers every single thing you need when it comes to your health, guys. It works with your allergy, it works with your stress, it works with your sleep pattern. You guys know, your health encompasses a lot of things. Health is not just about your food, it's not just about losing weight. They also have an app that guides you in your weight loss journey and also your habit formation. So basically, like I said, they have like meal prep ideas, they have workouts, and also if you're a mom, you guys know our usual problem of always having to think of what to feed our families, especially healthy things, because not feeding your family is another thing, but feeding your family healthy things, it's a totally different game, guys. They also have like meal plans from day 1 to day 28. You need to grab yourself this book, and of course I'm going to have it right in my description box in case you guys are interested. I promise you, you're not even going to be disappointed because it has a lot of benefits for us, like a lot of benefits. All right, so moving on from health, I have my work, and I'm a very strong believer. Like, I'm not that type of person, guys. You know how at the beginning of the year, everybody's talking about their New Year resolution, everybody's setting goals, everybody's doing this, doing that. I'm actually always on the chill side, when it comes to the new year, like setting goals. I mean, I love it when people set goals and everything, but for me, I feel like, right, setting goals is good, but also because of the fact that I've set goals, in previous years, and sometimes you end up probably achieving maybe 60% of your goals, and then that 40, instead of you to appreciate the fact that you were able to accomplish 60%, right, that 40 you weren't able to accomplish probably leads you into depression, honestly, guys. So yeah, like I stopped being so into New Year resolution like years ago. I just love to review my previous year, see where I lacked, so that way I can make up, and also I love to see where I flourished, so that way I can kind of put more momentum, on that particular aspect of my life. So when it comes to my work life, of course, you guys know I'm a content creator, I'm a full-time influencer, and this is the right time I always kind of take to relax in my office section in my studio. This is the time I love to take out and just reorganize, make sure my content is on point, because if you guys don't know, I film for my Instagram, my YouTube, my TikTok, and now also my Pinterest. So yeah, this is the time I take to kind of organize and kind of make sure my content is tied together, like it's tight. And also, I always consider myself as an all-rounder. Here, you're going to be able to see content on home, beauty, lifestyle, home decor. Like, I'm an all-rounder, guys. So this is the time I try to take to lay out my plans for my content, because it makes it so much easier, especially when I have the categories, like my subcategories, and then under my subcategories I can now group, like when it comes to the home, there's cooking, there's cleaning, there's organization, all those things. And then when it comes to makeup, there is and then when it comes to beauty encompasses fashion, makeup, hair, and all those things. So this is like the right time I try to take and group everything together and also get organized when it comes to my content, so that way once I start releasing content, guys, like I always go full throttle. Like when I start releasing content, guys, I just go. I don't know, I'm not used to, or let me say, when it comes to the short form of videos, I post every single day on my Instagram and also here on YouTube. Thank God for shorts, because now I can also repurpose my content from Instagram also to my YouTube shorts. So yeah, this is just one of the things I absolutely just love enjoying. And also, apart from just setting off for my content, like I told you guys, we've run several businesses. This is also the right time I take to put everything in my calendar, in my folder. I just love having a physical calendar where if there is anything going on, I can just write it down. Let's say for the children's appointments, or maybe I have business appointments and things like that. I just go to the dates and jot it down. And I usually also set my goals. Like I usually set weekly schedule and also daily schedule. So this is also the right time at the beginning of the year for me to just go ahead and outline all my week from the week. Of course, from that particular week, I'm able to outline all my weekly schedule and also my daily schedule. And yeah, just getting organized at the beginning of the year helps me a lot, especially if you're like me that wear a lot of shoes, guys. Like sometimes I feel like my cup is like overflow. Like sometimes I feel like my cup is full and overflowing, guys. So but getting organized at the beginning of the year, like, it helps me a great deal. And when it comes to finances, guys, I actually don't have much to say about this. It all depends on you. Like I said earlier, it's always good to keep realistic goals. It's always good to keep things that it's attainable. Like I said, somebody might be earning maybe $10, and then from the new year you're expecting to make like $500,000. Like, that is not realistic. So yeah, when it comes to finances, we try to keep it as realistic as possible. We try to set finances. Sometimes I feel like money is not actually a problem. It's all about like having your game plan on how to go about getting that money that people always miss. That is why it's always easy for people to kind of call out a goal, or they want to make $1 million this year, without actually setting up those things. You have to set up those things that would be able to make those money for you. And the last thing I want to add is, gone are the days when people just focus on one particular thing to gain or to make income, guys. It's always very important for you to diversify. It's always very important to have at least 7 streams of income, guys. 7. Oh, I said 6. 7 streams of income. So when it's coming from here, 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 it's coming from here. At the end of the year, you find out that everything coming together, guys, that you hit the number you're looking for. So yeah, just setting realistic financial goal, it's very important for your health and also for your well-being. Because yeah, when you go ahead and set up all those big numbers, and then towards the end of the year, if you don't achieve them, that also can lead to depression. So yeah, please guys, as we are setting up, we're setting up all those goals, please try as much as possible to keep realistic goals. But yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys picked up 1 or 2 things. If there is nothing you picked up from this video, just pick up the fact that always ask God to put his super on your natural, so that way everything comes together. It's supernatural. That has always been I and my husband's kind of word every single time, and it's been working amazing for us. Just challenge God, tell God to put your super on my natural. But yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also don't forget to check out Beyond Body, guys. You're definitely not gonna be disappointed. But yeah guys, till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.